Okay, this is red synthetic dye on wool, which is very difficult to remove without damaging the wool fiber. Since wool is a protein, any strong acids or alkalins can eat it up, basically. Um, so this is the setup in which I'm going to show you how I did this particular stain removal. So I got a spotter, a strong reducer, a steamer, a neutralizer to reduce what I put in the carpet, and obviously I'm using a spotter to rinse it. This is, I said, we're doing other services at this job, but I was called specifically for this. So here I'm on a step, and as you can see, the red there on the wool fiber. So the reducer that worked well for me was Red Relief. This is from CTI, Pro's Choice, and I'm going to apply it. I did try the Red Relief for wool with no success, but this is the red. This is just a regular Red Relief. This is a strong acid, strong enough that you can just apply it to the fiber, but you want to monitor it. It could have a reaction with it and begin to reduce the red, but sometimes you will have to put a steamer on it, and you want to do it very maybe a long ways. I would say at least 6 inches away from the fiber. Just heat it up just enough to see if you have a chemical reaction with it, and if you do, you want to stop immediately. Rinse it. Well, before you rinse it, you want to put the neutralizer on it and then rinse it and then reevaluate it and possibly repeat the process. Here specifically, this is what it comes down to technique. I'm agitating it here with a cotton swab here. So that's to give it a little action to for the chemical to work. Now, from my experience, it doesn't eat up the protein fiber if I don't put any heat on it, which the heat through steam will speed up the chemical, which becomes very aggressive, and it will eat down the fiber. So you have to be very, very careful with that. So here I'm just agitating it with a cotton swab, and again, just trying to get a little action with the chemical, kind of speed the chemical up. And now you give it time. You know, we always want time to be on our side, so this is very important in this moment to give it time to work. So while that's working, I'm going to go ahead and neutralize and rinse the stain right next to it. So after evaluation, it's ready to be neutralized and rinsed. And this particular stain had very good success with this process. So if you have any questions, my name is Chandler with Classic Hair Services. My number is 404-914-3103. And again, guys, this is a quick live demonstration with some of my techniques and some of the understanding how to use some acids to get some things done in certain situations. Sometimes you gotta use alkalins, sometimes you gotta use oxidizers. But technique is very important, and it's not always that I can show you every single moment that what I'm thinking, what's going on, what we're trying, what worked and what didn't work. But this is an example I wanted to share. Thanks for viewing.